Hello viewers, today I have this OnePlus Buds Pro. In this charging case is completely bad. The motherboard of this charging case has gone bad. So because of that there is no response. So I am going to replace the motherboard of this OnePlus Buds Pro. So this is the original motherboard of this OnePlus Buds Pro charging case. Without wasting any time, let me start replacing the motherboard of this charging case. So let me open the case here and I will take this out. There is no use of the earbuds as of now. So simply I have to pry this top housing so that I can take out the housing here. So this is the part. Simply I'm going to lift like this. You can see clip sound is coming, which is unlocking here. That's it. So that's it. Be careful, there will be flux cable here going around. You can see this is the flux cable. There are many flux cables. There is one more flux cable here and the third cable is here. So you can see we have to remove all this, and the wireless charging connection is here and battery wire is here. So all this we have to remove to replace the motherboard. So this is the motherboard. You can see original motherboard which is completely working. So I'm going to install this motherboard here in this charging case. So alright, if you want me to replace the motherboard or if you want to buy this motherboard, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore and this motherboard can be shipped to any part of India. And if you want me to replace the motherboard, you can send it to me here in Bangalore from any part of India. I can receive it, I can replace it, and I can ship it back to your address. Alright, without wasting any time, let's continue. So now I'm going to take out this flux cable of this charging case. So simply let me show you in close up. So there is a clip lock here. So simply I'm going to lift that like this, and if I pull it, it will come out. So this part I'm going to keep it separately. Now further there is lock here for this flux cable. I have to lift this, and there is a glue here, white glue here. You can see I'm going to remove this like this. So after removing, it will come out. So there will be white glue here as well. So I have removed that already. So this is the battery wire here. Black is minus and the red one is plus. So we have to clean the white glue like this. It will be here. After cleaning, we have to desolder it and take it, and there will be two screws here. This is Phillips screwdriver. This is Phillips screws. So I am going to use Phillips screwdriver here to take this out. So let me take that screws out. So one more flux cable is there here. So I am going to simply lift here, and I have removed the glue here, similar to this white glue. There will be glue here as well. So we have to simply pull it. It will come out like this easily. So now I can take this out. You can see motherboard has come. Now I am going to desolder the battery wires here. Plus has come out, now minus. So it's time to take this flux cable. This is bit tough because glue is there. So let me clean this glue here. This is for wireless charging. So there are two copper wires here. You can see. Let me clean the glue here, and there will be two leads here similar to like battery here. So I have to take that out. So let me clean it. So I'm going to desolder the wire here. You can see it has come out. Similarly this as well. So both wires are removed. So just connect it similar way. So you can see this flux cable has come out. So the motherboard has come out now. So this is the bad motherboard, and this is the working motherboard which I am going to install. So this should be installed in a similar way how we have removed. So let me install this. So I have installed all the flux cables. Now it's time to just put the screws back to its place. So let me tighten it. So that's it. So everything has been installed. Now it's time to simply close this and press it so that locks will, so it will get locked like this. So alright, now it's time to check the charging case here. So I've closed it. You can see green light is coming, started working perfectly. Now green light is coming. So now let's connect the charger and check. So you can see red light is coming here. So charging case has been perfectly started working after replacing the motherboard. This is OnePlus Buds Pro charging case which I have replaced the motherboard of this model. If you want me to replace the motherboard of this OnePlus Buds Pro charging case, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. If you want to buy the motherboard of this charging case, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. So that's it for this video. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.